What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Rocking with the 8P channel.
Today, y'all, we about to ride out to Panama.
Yes, sir. Our first ride out.
So right now, we at Circle K, about to pump gas, as y'all can see. Once we finish packing up, we about to ride out. So y'all stay tuned.
We all packed up, ready to roll. Y'all, it's about to be a fun ride. You ready, baby?
Ready to put these goggles on and this mask. Good to go.
Yeah, I'm loving the Ryker, man. It's so much fun. But guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy this ride just as much as we do. All right, y'all, we're rolling out. Let's go. Riding good, loving the pipe. Like I said, I got the RLS exhaust. Sounds really good. So guys, just gassed up. Ooh, look at my seat. My butt sweating.
Yeah, I got the cushion back here.
Oh yeah, y'all, she got the cushion.
Riding
yep. Got the cooler down there. You see y'all there?
Y'all can see this is a popular state park. It's in Panama City, right outside of the beach area.
Hey, how's it going? Yeah, it's a beautiful day. What a great day to ride. Enjoy the weather.
Alright, y'all, so we just now pulling up to the beach. We're trying to find some parking.
What's up, guys? So we just got here, found the park. The Ryker rode good here. You enjoyed the ride, baby?
I did.
Yep, I enjoyed the ride too, y'all. Now I can say this Ryker get a lot of head turns. But guys, I'm about to go ahead and get this stuff you see at the beach. Once we leave here, we're gonna do ride arounds in Panama City on the beach side, have fun. So guys, make sure you stay tuned, all right?
But that water so blue back there.
I know, right?
We went to the wrong part.
Good water.
Good water.
Y'all, we here. See, they got a lot of stuff, man. First class, motorcycle parking. Go ahead and turn this off. That's the only thing about it. We ain't got nowhere to put our stuff. We got to carry it with us. Ready to head out, find something to eat. Yeah, so far, we enjoying the ride. It's pretty smooth. Like, I don't really have no complaints. You do alright on gas, as far as like in the city, but like when you're doing like a road trip, you know, the gas do pretty good. But yeah, y'all, they got a lot of restaurants. Pier Park. So we're going to, what is this? The back porch. Yep. Thank you, thank you. Pretty good. Thank you. I think I may get the po' boy. Ooh, looks good. Fried group of sandwich. Pretty good. Alright, y'all, so we just got done eating. Gotta walk some of these calories off. See what they doing over here. Got the bar right there. Got a little restaurant over there. Let's see. Man, that water looking good back there. Looking good. I know, I'm ready to get back in too. There go my baby. She's still sitting right here looking good. Yes, sir.